Join me as I take on the challenge of financing my very own conservatory in the UK in 2024, and I'll share all the tips and tricks I discover along the way. In this video, you'll learn about the various financing options available for purchasing a conservatory or orangery in the UK, ensuring you make an informed decision. Many homeowners face the challenge of finding affordable and flexible financing solutions that fit their budget and requirements when considering a conservatory or orangery. It's a significant investment, and it's essential to weigh up the costs against the benefits, ensuring the new addition to your home brings the desired return on investment. A conservatory or orangery can be a fantastic way to increase your living space, enhance your lifestyle, and even boost the value of your property. However, the initial outlay can be substantial, which is why it's crucial to explore the different financing options available. We'll explore different financing methods such as personal loans, home improvement loans, and remortgaging, providing you with insights on the pros and cons of each option. Personal loans can be an attractive option, offering flexible repayment terms and often with a faster application process. On the other hand, home improvement loans are specifically designed for homeowners looking to invest in their property, offering competitive interest rates and tailored repayment plans. Remortgaging is another option, which involves switching your existing mortgage to a new deal, often with a higher loan amount to cover the cost of your conservatory or orangery. The key takeaway is understanding how to choose the best financing option based on your financial situation and the potential return on investment from your new conservatory or orangery. It's essential to consider your current income, expenses, and credit score when deciding on a financing method, ensuring you can afford the repayments. You should also think about the potential long-term benefits of your new conservatory or orangery, such as increased natural light, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced living space. Ultimately, the right financing option will depend on your individual circumstances and priorities. To summarize, we've covered the key financing options available in the UK for conservatories and orangeries, helping you feel more confident in your decision-making. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on home improvement tips and share your thoughts in the comments below.